brick stitch is very similar to long and short satin stitch, but the stitches are placed slightly differently. It's an excellent filling stitch and creates a distinctive pattern. Start by creating a row of alternating short and long stitches, working from left to right. This row creates the foundation for the staggered placement of the following rows. I've made guidelines to help keep the stitch lengths even. I'm also using even weave linen, which makes spacing the stitches a lot easier. When you start the second row, you will be stitching from right to left. Your stitches will now all be the same length until the final row, but they'll create a staggered brickwork effect as you follow the pattern set out in the first row. Unlike long and short satin stitch, the needle doesn't split the stitches on the upper row. The stitches sit side by side rather than encroaching on each other. You'll get full coverage of the fabric, but with a slightly different appearance. As you can see here, the guidelines are helping me to keep track of where the stitches need to go. It's very easy to skip stitches as the thread coverage builds up. When you reach the last row, you'll need a final row of short stitches to fill in the gaps and complete your brickwork panel. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.